Hi everyone and welcome to the Narita and Viplav show. I'm Narita and today I'm flying solo because my co-host Viplav is caught up in some work, but I thought why not use this time to connect with you in a unique and meaningful way. This episode is going to be very special, a Christmas themed tarot reading just for you. I have drawn some powerful cards that hold meaningful, insightful messages to guide you through this festive season. So, whether you are shopping, sipping cocoa, or sitting by the fireplace, you'll find some messages that you were meant to see in this video. And this is going to be Christmas themed. Some messages for you by the universe for Christmas. So, as you saw in the last episode, we have started a Christmas themed journey for like Vlogmas. This is going to be more on Christmas side podcast. So, I hope you like it. So, please stick to the end because I'm sure you'll find some messages if you are seeing this video. Okay, let's dive into the messages that the universe has in store for you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a tarot session for the month of December and specially messages for you that was meant to find you during the Christmas. So I'm going to give you some of the messages that I've got a calling to tell you for Christmas, and that will like brighten up your Christmas spirit. So first of all, I will tell you what are the cards that are showing you what is your current energy for Christmas. Like आप Christmas के लिए क्या सोच रहे हो, and what positive things you should be focusing on this Christmas, and how can you remain grateful this Christmas, what memories from a past you have to reflect on, and what things might begin this Christmas, a new Christmas words from your ancestors. So I'm going to give you like some really deep messages, so please stick till the end because there was some message that was meant to find you, because of which you are here. Starting with your first card, what is your current energy? A card that will represent your current energy this Christmas season. Current energy this Christmas. What is your current energy this Christmas? Oh wow, the Ace of Pentacles. My god, this shows that you are actually moving, running into. Can you see this card? Wow. So this card is showing that you are actually moving into a lot of money. A lot of new money is coming in your life. You have worked very hard for it, but now things are going to be coming very effortlessly for you. You will not be struggling for things anymore. You have seen a lot of financial struggles maybe in the past, and you had to really wait and you know persevere is something that you've done. You've had a lot of perseverance, and your belief system in God has actually made him very happy. God is in love with your spirit. God feels that you have been so amazing, a wonderful child, just patiently waited and believed that he is there and he will always protect you no matter what, which is why he's very happy, and now he's going to be blessing you with so many things, so many blessings that you will be so shocked and surprised actually, because you cannot even imagine the kind of things you're going to step into. See, I'm not even making it up. You can see the card is in my hand. Ace of Pentacles. This is what is coming for you. New beginnings in terms of financial projects, career paths, anything that will bring in a lot of stability in your life, a lot of happiness, a lot of joy, a lot of wish fulfillments in terms of money that money can buy, right? So money can buy a lot of good things. So in the past, if you had to walk away from things, um, those things will be reversed now. Okay, now let me say it in Hindi also. If you are watching it and you want me to say this in Hindi, आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारे पैसे आ रहे हैं जिसकी आपने मतलब इमेजिनेशन भी नहीं किया होगा, इतना पैसा कि आपने कभी इस बारे में सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि आपके पास इतने पैसे आ सकते हैं, राइट? आप बहुत सारा आपने पास्ट में आपने वर्क करा है, और आपका जो परसीवरेंस है और आपने जो मेहनत किया है उस मेहनत का फल आपको मिल रहा है। तो ये ऐसे ही नहीं है, आपने इतने टाइम का जो आपने एंड्योरेंस दिखाया है और इतने टाइम से आप भगवान पे विश्वास रखते गए, आपने कभी भगवान पे क्वेश्चन नहीं किया और आपने कभी भी ये नहीं माना कि भगवान नहीं है, तो आपका जो ये विश्वास है, आपका जो ये प्यार है भगवान के लिए, इसी वजह से भगवान आपको बहुत सारा ब्लेसिंग दे रहे हैं। और स्पेशली भगवान जी माता लक्ष्मी और पंचमुखी हनुमान जी, उनका आशीर्वाद बहुत ही स्ट्रांगली आपके लिए हो सकता है। आप नीम करोली बाबा के लिए भी ड्राइव फील करते हो तो डेफिनेटली गो एंड हैव अ पे हिम अ विजिट। एंड नीम करोली बाबा हनुमान जी के रूप माने जाते हैं और बहुत ही अपने भक्तों को हमेशा प्यार से बहुत हेल्प करते हैं और बहुत ही काइंड लाइक अ फादर इज़ देयर। सो गणेश जी, शिव जी, कृष्ण भगवान, और if you are a Christian, if you have been praying to Lord Jesus, or it doesn't matter what the religion you follow, but the divine forces has been really protecting you all this while, and now there's going to be like a tsunami flow of money, huge money flowing in. See, it's going to be coming in like this. The money that is coming into your life is bringing in so much love, so much joy, and so much sweetness in your life. It will fill your life with a lot of happiness. See, these are the two cards that has come for you. Three cards have come, and I'll show you the next card. So your life is going to be filled with a lot of happiness. So your current energy for Christmas is shown with the Ace of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. Wow. What else can you ask? I mean, what more can someone ask for? This is just so good. I mean, you might be thinking, um, is this even real? What I'm saying sounds good. Is it even real? But trust me, you were meant to hear this, and you are asked to be ready for it. Get ready for it. You have to be mentally ready for it, and emotionally you have to be ready, and physically also you have to be ready, because when you step into financial blessings, there is a different part of you that needs to be activated. That person that has so much wealth is kinda has to give back to society, has to work out every day, will be self-care, will be a priority. We're not going to be compromising with your workout routines, we're not going to be compromising with what you eat, especially. So in the past you have seen a lot of pain, this much amount of pain, जितना पेन आपने इंड्योर किया होगा शायद आपके जितना किसी और लोगों ने नहीं किया है। तो और आप किसी को इस बारे में शायद बताएंगे भी नहीं कि आपने कितना सहा है और कितना अकेलापन भी महसूस किया है। सबके होते हुए भी आप अकेले फील कर रहे थे। हो सकता है ऐसा आपके साथ हुआ हो, और पिछले 7-8 महीने, 7-8 साल आपके लाइफ में काफ़ी टफ रहा है। तो जिसके लिए भी ये मैसेज आ रहा है, वो कोई है ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसने बहुत ज़्यादा पेन फील किया है, बट आप एक बहुत ही प्योर सोल हो, बहुत ही लविंग सोल हो और बहुत काइंड पर्सन हो, क्योंकि आपके पास जब पैसे नहीं भी थे और काफ़ी कम भी थे, तभी भी आपने हमेशा अपना विश्वास भगवान पे रखा और आपने मेक श्योर किया कि आप कभी किसी और को हर्ट ना करें। आपने मतलब क्या कहते हैं, इतने इतने काइंड हो आप कि चीज़ें ना, जब खुद पेन में है आप, फिर भी आपने किसी और को हर्ट नहीं किया। आपने हमेशा मेक श्योर किया कि यू डू नॉट बी द पर्सन हु इज़ गोइंग टू गो एंड हर्ट समवन। हो सकता है आपको भी किसी लोगों ने कुछ बोला हो, आपका फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस का मजाक बनाया हो, but this Christmas around you'll see that energy is definitely changing, because you are going to be stepping into that destined money that was meant for you. You were born with it. You know, this is your divine right, and you are stepping into that era. Right. So now we're going to see what positive things you should focus on this Christmas. What positive things you should be focusing on this Christmas. Let's see. What should you be focusing on this Christmas? ये सब मेरे को divine guidance जो है, I have a calling, I have to share it. It's my part of my life purpose, and me and my husband, we both are divinely blessed as a divine couple, and we give guidance, and we this is a part of our life path to help others, because अगर आप एक empath हो और एक chosen one हो, then it becomes something that you have to do. No matter what you do, you have to help others with your divinity. See, this is what you need to do. Focus. What positive things you should be focusing on is your business. Focus on your business. Okay? Focus on taking risks. Focus on things that will make your business grow. फोकस ऑन समथिंग दैट क्रिएट्स, जो आपने लाइफ में रिस्क लिया है किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर, आपने अगर सोच रहे हो स्टार्ट करना है तो उन प्रोजेक्टों को स्टार्ट करें, उस पर फोकस करें. द फूल कार्ड शोज इट्स अ कार्ड फॉर अ केयर फ्री पर्सन. एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए कार्ड आता है, या बिजनेसमैन के लिए आता है, या उन क्रिएटिव इंडिविजुअल्स के लिए आता है जो लाइफ में रिस्क लेते हैं, जो नॉर्मल पाथ ऑफ ट्रेजेक्ट्री है उसमें नहीं जा रहे हैं, वो एक लेस ट्रैवल्ड पाथ में जा रहे हैं जिसमें उनका सोल का कॉलिंग है, जो बहुत लोगों ने, हो सकता है उनके फैमिली में या जिनको वो जानते हैं उन्होंने नहीं लिया हो, तो उसके लिए बहुत सारा आपको जो एक्यूमेंट चाहिए वो आपके पास है. उन्हीं चीज़ों पे आप फोकस करिए. योर फोकस शुड बी प्राइमरीली ऑन बिल्डिंग योर बिजनेस एंड टेकिंग that risk. Okay, so if you have suppose started a YouTube channel, then go forward with it. If you're thinking of starting, then go with that. All right, if you have started a business, then please focus on that. तो आपका फोकस तभी entrepreneurial ड्रीम्स पे जाना चाहिए. और आप बॉटम ऑफ द डेक इसमें आ रहा है 6 ऑफ swords, राइट. तो आपका जो फोकस है वो इसी में आना चाहिए कि आप और ट्रांजिशन करके जो आप ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड बनाना चाहते हो अपने लिए, जैसा आपको अपना लाइफस्टाइल चाहिए, उसके लिए आपको किस चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्राइंग टू लुक बाई थिंग्स रैंडमली, make sure you make investments, okay, that will take you forward in life. So those should be thoughtful investments. For example, if you have a business, then invest in your business. If you have a creative project, then invest in that. So invest in your creative projects or businesses and all, and it will give you a lot of success. तो अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए, then the answer is definitely yes. आपको डेफिनेटली करना ही करना चाहिए. ये आपका पार्ट ऑफ सोल कॉलिंग है. और ये बिज़नेस में अगर आप रिस्क लेंगे, या जो आपका क्रिएटिव इंटरेस्ट है जिसमें आप चाहते हो एक रिस्क लेना, हो सकता है आप जॉब भी चेंज करना चाहते हो या समथिंग, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, तो आप वो रिस्क लें एंड ये आपके लिए पॉजिटिव रहेगा और काफ़ी सक्सेस के साथ आप आगे बढ़ोगे. ठीक है. नाउ वी कैन टॉक अबाउट हाउ कैन यू रिमेन ग्रेटफुल दिस क्रिसमस. हाउ कैन यू बी ग्रेटफुल दिस क्रिसमस. इस क्रिसमस में आप ग्रेटफुल कैसे रह सकते हो. हाउ कैन यू रिमेन ग्रेटफुल. राइट, सी द कार्ड जस्ट पॉप्ड आउट एंड इट इज़ द टेम्परेंस. Patience, my love, patience. You have to be patient. Things were not, things are not made in a day. Even if you have to make a dish, right, you have to wait there in the kitchen for some time. You have to cut the vegetables. First of all, you have to make the will to actually cook that dish, right. First you have to think. I'm giving you an example कि आपका ग्रैटिट्यूड जो है वो पेशेंस से रिलेटेड है. आपको जो चीज़ें चाहिए, अगर वो चीज़ें अभी तक आपके पास नहीं आया है, आपको इस वक्त ग्रेटफुल रहना चाहिए, पेशेंटली ग्रेटफुल रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप उस चीज़ के टूवर्ड्स मूव कर रहे हो. यू आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स इट एंड इट इज़ हैपनिंग फॉर यू. तो अभी आपको पेशेंस में रहना होगा और पेशेंस से ही आप ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस कर पाएंगे. डू नॉट क्वेश्चन योर सेल्फ लाइक ये अभी तक तो हुआ नहीं, कैसे होगा, ये होगा वो होगा, ये सब मत करें. बी पेशेंट राइट नाउ. ओके. सो अगर आप पेशेंट हो तो आपको पता होगा कि जो भी आपको चाहिए वो सब कुछ आपके पास आ रहा है, उसी डायरेक्शन में आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो. और चीज़ें थोड़ा सा टाइम लेता है. तो जैसे एक पौधा लगाते हैं, इमीडिएटली उसमें से फल नहीं आ जाता, उसके लिए वेट करना पड़ता है. तो वैसे ही आपको वेट करना चाहिए और वेट के टाइम में आपको एक्साइटेड और खुश रहना चाहिए कि हाँ अब ये जो ट्री है ये ग्रो करेगा और फ्रूट्स देगा, राइट. सो दैट पॉजिटिव एनर्जी इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. I was giving you the example of cooking, that if you have to go and cook some dish, first of all you make a decision that yeah, I have to go and make that dish, and then you actually go to the kitchen and take your products out from the fridge and cut them and put them in the kadhai and then chalao it and then wait for some time and the dish is cooked and उसके बाद आप उसको सर्व करेंगे. सर्व करने के बाद आप उसको खाओगे, राइट. सो it takes a little bit of time, but you have to be patient during this time. Okay, patience. Now, what memory from a past Christmas should you reflect on? कौन से मेमोरी पे आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना चाहिए पास्ट का. पास्ट के कौन से क्रिसमस मेमोरी पे आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना चाहिए. I'm going to tell you that now. क्रिसमस का कौन सा ऐसा मेमोरी है जिस पे आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना चाहिए. राइट. देखो 5 of wands आया है. ये क्या देख रहे हैं इस कार्ड पे. यू कैन सी लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्टैंडिंग विद लॉट ऑफ wands and they are fighting, right. So हो सकता है there has been a Christmas in your life, maybe a December, where there were conflicts, there were fights. So you need to reflect on those moments कि वो fights क्यों हुए थे, किस रीज़न से हुए थे, किसके साथ हुआ था, क्या सीख सकते हो, कैसे अवॉइड क्या किया जा सकता है लाइफ में। क्रिसमस पे फाइट्स नहीं करना, तो आपको वो मतलब आपके अंदर ही उन सारी चीज़ों का आंसर्स है, उसको फाइंड करें कि कैसे आप फालतू के फाइट्स पे ना पड़े. डो नॉट गेट इन्वॉल्व इन अननेसेसरी fights and choose your battles wisely. Do not get involved in things unnecessarily. Even if somebody is provoking you, do not get involved into that, because it is not worth it. What you should be focusing on is creation, and you will see it with a lot of clarity also, that yeah, you will see it with a lot of clarity that this is unnecessary. These fights and all are just unnecessary, and if you get involved in it, it will just distract you from your core purposes and from your peace. So just avoid any kind of unnecessary arguments, fights, no. All right, because see 2025 is the year of Mars, and 2025 में बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंस हो सकता है फाइट्स होने का, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स होने का. तो जितना हो सके उसको इग्नोर करें, अवॉइड करें, उसको उसमें इन्वॉल्व ना हो. ओके, नाउ what new things might begin this Christmas. Okay, I'm going to tell you what new things might begin this Christmas. What new things might begin this Christmas? What new things might begin this Christmas? What new things might begin this Christmas? Wow, a new chapter. The world. The world card shows that there is a very strong possibility for you to begin a very new chapter in your life, something that is a fresh start. Maybe आपके लाइफ में आप एक ट्रांजिशन से गुजर रहे हो राइट नाउ. ओके, एंड गुजरेंगे. जो एक चैप्टर आपका चल रहा था, हो सकता है 10 साल से चल रहा हो, वो चैप्टर अभी ख़त्म होगा और आप एक नए चैप्टर में एंटर करने वाले हो, विच टोटली मेक्स सेंस. आई टेल यू हाउ. सी, द फर्स्ट कार्ड दैट हैज़ कम, एस ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. सॉरी, the first card that came was Ace of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles was showing that bottom of the deck was Eight of Cups. ये दिखा रहा था कि earlier you have gone through financial crunches. People have seen you in a particular style, a particular way. You were somebody suffering for money. But you still felt rich at that time, because maybe you are a royal soul. Okay, you were a royalty. I can channel in your past lives. And you always you never really thought of money as such so important and all, but then you realize that people made you feel weird when you did not have it, right? So they thought that maybe your life is going to be not that good, and you will be having a lot of financial crunch, and it will not be that nice and all. But God did not approve of it, because God has different plans for it, because you are destined. See the Wheel of Fortune, you are destined for a very good luxurious life. So if God has planned that for you, who can take it from you, right? So that's the thing. Now there is going to be a new chapter. Maybe you will see a new style of you coming out, a new birth, a completion of a chapter. This 2.0 version of you will be a more revised version. This will be a more I got tangles on that. So yeah, maybe you'll do something with your hair. Maybe you'll get a haircut, hair color, change your looks, get a makeover, change your wardrobe, change the way you think, especially because you will see you're giving birth to a new person altogether. Somebody that who has a very different set of habits. आप जैसे पहले थे, maybe you will be completely changing that person into somebody who is going to be more aligned with the financial growth that you have. तो ये इसीलिए आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आप रेडी हो जाओ उस चीज़ के लिए, बिकॉज आप पहले जैसे थे उसी को, उसमें कोई ख़राबी नहीं है, बट उस पर्सन को आप कंटिन्यूसली फीड करते रहोगे, सेम हैबिट, सेम थिंग्स यू कीप डूइंग अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन, देन यू विल नॉट गोइंग टू गेट different kind of results, right? So you just understand what I'm saying. This is going to be a new chapter, a brand new beginning. You will see a lot of luxuries in your life. You will have a lot of strength, a lot of power, a lot of skills, and a lot of communication, movement, travel, And yeah, beauty, you'll be blessed with a lot of beauty, new clothes, new jewelries, and a lot of things, maybe a new home. And this new home for you is going to be very lucky. Okay, so yeah, mind my words, when it comes true you can thank me later. If you're watching this video, this message was meant to find you. And the last message for you is a few Christmas words from your ancestors. Few Christmas words from your ancestors. Wow, my goodness. Your ancestors, the sun. You are meant to shine, my love. You are meant to shine bright like the sun. The sun can't dim its lights, and you don't have to dim your lights. You are meant to shine fearlessly, effortlessly, authentically. Just be yourself. Be happier self. Be the way you were as a child. When you were born, just remember the kind of person you used to be when you were a kid. How happy you used to be, how much of life you had in yourself. You had so much of positive energy in you. Channelize those energies because it lies right inside of you, and now you're becoming your dream self. So just be very very happy. You're a very positive person. Wherever you go, you share a lot of positivity, a lot of good energy. People around you actually feel very blessed to have you in their life. You are someone's life sunshine. And bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. So get into your King of Cups energy, which is the king with a lot of emotions, a lot of love. So treat your spouse with flowers if you're a man, and if you're a woman watching it, then treat your man like the king he is. And trust me, your partner is amazing, so never doubt your partner. Never question him. He's your divine partner, so be grateful. And if it's a man watching, then your woman is very nurturing. She's the Lakshmi. The more nicer you will treat her, the better you treat her, the more luck you keep getting in life, more blessings you keep getting from all the planets, all the gods. So make sure that you treat your wife like a goddess. She's meant to be treated like. Okay, and this was your message for today. I hope you like my video. It's a new channel. I'll be very very grateful if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. My name is Angelica or Nerita, and my husband's name is Viblav, and we do tarot, and we have a lot of other work together, like we have our entrepreneurial businesses and other things. But tarot is a life calling, and he's my twin flame, so it's like a way of giving back to what God has gifted us with. Because if God has given you some skills or some divination tools, like in a cult, if you are blessed with it, then you should share it. It's a part of the life's calling. So no matter what you do, you have to stay aligned. And I hope to build a beautiful community here with like-minded people who want to grow and want to see others grow too, without any jealousy and no negativity, and just love and kindness and happiness, and shine like the sun. So sending you lots of love. Bye.